This is the BMW M5, a supercar in a business suit. But what if I told you that this suit hides some terrifying truths?
Welcome back
To DreamSketch Toons, where stories meet machines and legends come alive in pixels. Today, we uncover a car so powerful it challenges supercars, and so demanding it challenges your wallet. Buckle up, because this is the truth BMW doesn't want you to know. The BMW M5 isn't just a car, it's a legacy. Born in the 1980s, when BMW's M division decided to put race car power in an executive sedan. From the legendary E39 to the screaming E60 V10 and the turbocharged F90, every M5 pushed the limits. The 2025 M5 carries that bloodline and takes it to insanity. Under the hood, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's faster than most Ferraris from a decade ago, with 4 doors and heated massage seats. It's not just performance, it's perfection wrapped in luxury leather. Hit the red start button. The world blurs. 0 to 60, 3.1 seconds. Top speed, 190 miles per hour with the M Drivers package. BMW's xDrive system makes it a rocket launcher on wheels. But one press of that 2WD mode and you unleash pure rear-wheel chaos. The M5 isn't just fast, it's surgical. The steering is razor sharp, the brakes brutal. It gives you supercar performance without giving up your comfort. It's speed with manners until you turn those manners off. Step inside and you forget it's a weapon. Soft leather, carbon fiber trims, 30-color ambient lighting, and one of the best infotainment systems on Earth, BMW's iDrive 8. 2 massive curved screens, a digital cockpit that reacts to your voice, your hand, even your gestures. Every switch feels like it was designed just for you. It's quiet, calm, elegant, until you press M mode and the beast wakes up again. The M5 isn't just built to go fast, it's built to make you feel rich while doing it. But here's where the dream cracks, because this kind of power comes at a cost. Oil change, $400. Brake job, $2,500. Tires, 10,000 miles if you're lucky. Fuel economy, a laughable 15 miles per gallon in the city. And when that twin-turbo V8 sneezes, repairs can cost 5 figures. The BMW M5 isn't the car you own, it's a car you feed. Every drive is pure adrenaline, but every month your wallet screams louder than the exhaust. Ask an M5 owner about life with one. They'll tell you it's the best car they've ever driven, and the most expensive love affair they've ever had. It's addictive, it's emotional, and it's complicated. The M5 rewards passion but punishes neglect. It's not unreliable, it's just demanding. A masterpiece that needs constant attention. It's like dating a supermodel, beautiful, wild, and never cheap. At over $110,000, the M5 doesn't run alone. The Mercedes-AMG E63S brings the drama. The Audi RS7 brings technology. And the Cadillac CT5V Blackwing brings the noise and a 6-speed manual for the purists. Each has its weapon, but none blend comfort, control, and chaos like the M5. It's not the loudest or the flashiest. It's the one that balances everything perfectly right before it loses its mind. So, should you buy a BMW M5? If you want peace of mind, reliability, and great gas mileage, absolutely not. If you want something logical, look elsewhere. But if you crave power that scares you, luxury that spoils you, and a car that makes every drive feel like your last day on Earth, then yes, the M5 is for you. Because this isn't just a sedan. It's BMW's final love letter to combustion, a roaring goodbye before the electric silence takes over. And when that V8 growls, you'll remember why you fell in love with cars in the first place. So, would you dare to own one, or would the M5 own you? Comment below with your dream car. This is DreamSketch Toons, where machines come alive and every story has a twist. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and join our journey through the world's most iconic rides. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep driving.